Do you believe in God?
Yes, I know Jesus. I have heard his word. We have followed his teachings.
Blessed are those who believe.
Now you can see that I created this video using free tool. You can also create this video using free tool also. Now look at this channel. Look at this channel right here. This is a Bible series channel that shows all their animated video. All their videos are animated, 3D animated, and then he go ahead to add voiceover to this video. You can see this video is 9 minutes. This video is 8 minutes, and it started just a year ago, and this channel is fully monetized. Now what I'm going to be teaching you is how to create dialogue. Your characters are going to be talking by themselves, and if it's something that you just want to generate the video and then you put a voiceover, that is fine. That will be in another separate video. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a dialogue video where your characters are going to be talking simultaneously with each other. They are going to be talking to each other in one video as a Bible series. You can use this for any type of niche at all. And if you want to get the prompt that I use for this dialogue, type in prompt in the comment section, and I'm going to be putting the prompt in the comment section for you all to copy and paste, and then you can edit it to your own. Now if you see my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips, strategies, AI tools, how you can just grow your YouTube channel organically. So if this is the video you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button. Now let's dive into this tutorial. So first of all, we are going to be creating the prompt we are going to use for this video. So you can see here I was recording the prompt. I was telling ChatGPT to give me a prompt I'm going to be using on my AI tool. Do you understand? So in case you don't have any prompt in mind, you don't know how to prompt. If you don't know how to prompt, record your idea into ChatGPT and it will now give you a prompt. What you will now do is that once you are done, you can now check it, analyze it, and then copy it. So what I was basically doing here was I was telling ChatGPT what I wanted. I wanted a story with 3 person, a man and 2 lady. That's a Jesus kind of Bible story kind of setting. That's what I was telling ChatGPT. So you can see here that I was trying to send it here. Now you can read it now that it has already given me the prompt. Now read what I've already told ChatGPT: a cinematic 3D animated inspired biblical theme. Do you see now? So I now put in Middle Eastern man, and so ChatGPT basically just gave me like something that I would like. So just gave me the prompt I'm like. So I'm trying to copy this prompt because what I want to do is that I want to generate the image with this prompt. So now I've copied the prompt and I'm going to paste it in Leonardo AI. Actually, I already have Leonardo AI installed on my phone. So what I just basically did was just to sign in. And when you sign in, you are going to see that each day you get free 150 coin each day. So what will happen here is that you are going to be generating little images, like just few images. Leonardo AI is very good for images. So I'm going to be going to this, I'm going to click on that X button there so I will see what I am doing. So I'm going to be going to that image gen. Then you see image gen, video gen. So here I want to use the image generation. I don't want to use the video. So if any image that you are generating, you see that you are going to be debited 46 coin for each image. It's going to be 46 coin. So if it's for video, it's going to be 70 coin. Like I said before, I will recommend you use Leonardo AI to generate your image. You do not want to use it to generate your video, because if you use that image to generate your video, it's not going to give you the same image. So it is not really accurate for generating video. So I have pasted my prompt here now, and I'm going to click on this arrow button right here to send. Now once I send, it is going to start generating. Leonardo is very fast. It has brought out 4 different images, and I'm going to be saving them one after the other. So once you just save them one after the other, then we can now go ahead and create a dialogue prompt we are going to be using to generate this talking, to make sure that they talk. Now we're going to head over to ChatGPT right now and then tell ChatGPT to create a so I'm going to talk to ChatGPT to create a dialogue between these 3 person. So it's going to bring whatever the person is going to, whatever each of them is going to be saying in the video. Like I said before, if you don't know how to prompt your video, use the record button and express yourself with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to help you prompt. Now it is done with this, and now it has given me a script that I'm going to be using for this dialogue. Now I'm going to just copy it and then go head over to the new AI tool I'm going to be showing you now in this video. Remember that you just need to copy the dialogue, just the dialogue, like what the each individual are going to be saying. That is what you need to copy. So once you copy now, we're going to head over to Flow AI. So we are going to click on this one that has this pink logo on it. That is the one you will use. So once you click it, you can use the Chrome extension. You don't need to download the app for this one. Now you can see my email is already logged in because I've used it before. You click on create new project right there. So when you are here, you will now click on that plus sign button that is up so that you can import your image. Then you click on library so you can get your image. You see that those images you downloaded are already there. Import them, all the image you want to use. Me, I want to use two scene. So I'm going to import just two. I'll wait for this one to load and then import the other one. So you can just import them one after the other. If you want to use three scene, import three images. If you want to use four scene, import four images. Do you understand? So you just import them like that. Now I'm going to be importing the second image. So once I put in the second image, it's going to load from your gallery. Now once you put why I'm putting two images, because this thing is showing me start and end. Start and end. So it's going to tell me that okay, how your image is going to start and now it's going to end. You see that I did not crop this image before adding my prompt. That's the mistake many people used to do, that they will now bring out image that the head of the animated person is cut off. So I went ahead to add my prompt. You are going to see how this thing is going to generate, and it's not going to give you what you want. So I'm going to tell you how you are going to correct it. So you are going to put your resolution in 16.9 because we are talking about YouTube. So we are creating for YouTube. If you are creating for any other social media platform, choose the other one. If you are choosing X1, it's going to generate for just 40 credits. But if you are generating for X2, it will generate 20 credits. But X2 generates for 100. So it is very, 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 very expensive if you are doing it faster. So just do it slower so that you can generate enough video for that day. You'll be able to generate more than 5 to 6 videos, so you can use it for your YouTube channel. Now it has started generating your video. Remember that this is an AI tool and it can make mistake. If it's not giving you what it's supposed to give you, regenerate it again. Generate it again and again till you get the perfect video. So this is what it generated for me. It generated something that the video was playing, but the head of the man in the middle, that is supposed to be Jesus Christ, was not showing. So I cannot use this video like this, obviously. So I have to start it all over again. Now what I have to do is that I have to go back to ChatGPT. And so I wanted to just do another kind of dialogue. So I had to go to ChatGPT to give me another script, or I copied the other scripts that I have before, the other dialogue I have before. So what I did was to just tell it what I wanted again. I wanted the two women to first of all talk before Jesus Christ will now respond. So when I was doing that, I was trying to give ChatGPT my idea, because you cannot type that kind of prompts because of the feeling, the emotion. So ChatGPT can give you that prompt. I've said that before. So when I typed it in, it gave me the dialogue, and then I copied the dialogue straight back to Flow AI. So now copying this dialogue now and heading back to Flow AI to go and generate another image. Now what I now did differently here is I'm going to be zooming in so you see. So I click on that start icon so that I can input the image for the start. So when I input the image for the start, you can see a crop button right here. I clicked on it and then adjust the image so that it will come out well when AI generates it. Then when I did that, I saved it. This is for the second one. I saved it. So there's so many resolution there. I didn't want to show it there. So for the end too, you do the same thing for the end. It's going to show a crop button there. Click on the crop button and then do the resolution the way you like it. When you do the resolution the way you like it and you're okay, the face of the animated picture is supposed to show. That is why the first one came out as error. So once you do that, it's fine, you are good to go. Then you can now put it to fit screen. I put mine to fit screen. When I put mine to fit screen, I then put in the prompt that I use. So now I'm going to be generating this video seamlessly now. So I hope it gives me a correct one. So when I generated this, let me tell you what happened. I generated this thing up to 3 times before it gave me something that I liked. So after generating for several, like 3 times, I was able to get this perfect one that I now used in the beginning of this video. If you check it, this is what I used in the beginning of this video. So if you generate something like this, like 3 times to 4 times, this is 8 minutes. Generate it 3 4 times, you'll be able to get a perfect 3 minutes video for your YouTube channel. So that's just it. Learn how to prompt very well, and then so you'll not be able to waste your credits. And each day Flow give you new credits to use. Thank you.